Hey everyone, this is John, the Airgun guy at New England Airgun, back again with the Xisico compressor. Pulled out the decibel meter. Wanted to see what kind of operating level we get. Kind of noticed as I'm talking, my voice goes up like 90, 91 decibel from time to time, close to 90. But let's see, we'll get about, say, 3 feet away and see what we get for some readings. Kind of walk around it. So about 80 decibel when I'm not talking, close to 90 when I'm talking. Here on the side, we're getting about 85 decibel. Behind it with the fans, 85 decibel. 83 decibel over near the take-up reel for the power cord. 84, 85 decibel on the front with the fan. So in all, it's a pretty quiet compressor. We got a little bit of shake in the table, but it's not a very sturdy table. So kind of interesting on the decibel test. Let's see what else we can add in here.